Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another recipe which is Sadeko Sidra Macha or Chatpata dry fish, and you can use this as a quick snack recipe. So let's get started. To make a Sadeko Sidra Macha or Chatpata dry fish, I have taken this dry fish which I have got it from Asian grocery store. So in a pan I'm gonna add mustard oil. So now I will add this dry fish. I'll add just a little bit cumin and coriander powder and red chili powder and salt. You don't want to add too much salt because fish already has salt. I'm going to transfer this in a bowl. In a same pan, I'll add a little bit more oil. Then I'll add this garlic cloves. And dried chili. Then I'll add this tomato, chopped tomato. Now I'll transfer this in a blender. I'm gonna make a paste out of this. I'll add some coriander leaves and then I'm gonna grind it. So now this is ready. I'll add this on top of this dry fish. Then I'll add this finely chopped onion and spring onion and cilantro. I'll add lemon juice. Then I'm gonna mix it nicely. Now I'll add a little bit chili flakes, then chopped green chilies and mix it again. Now our Sadeko Sidra Macha or Chatpata dry fish is ready to be served. I hope you guys like this super simple snacks recipe. If you liked my recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.